Hey everybody and welcome. Today I have SOUNDCORE Liberty for Pro headphones and I'm going to tell you how can you easily begin a preference hearing test. At first we have to take on our headphones, the right one and the left one. And now we have to scroll down until we see preference test. We have to tap on it, and here as you can see music coming soon. Here is the sound A and here is the sound B. We have to tap on each version and select which version is better for our hearing and for our preferences. If we don't see the difference, we have to tap no difference, but for me the version A is better. Here version B, here version A, here version A2, here I don't see the difference, so I tap no difference, and here I don't see the difference too. As you can see, now we have our Hear ID completed. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.